Hello everyone, welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So today I'm with two openings. One is regarding a job and another regarding a contest. A contest that is very important. It's not a usual contest. So before getting into this video, if you like this video, please do like and share this video among your friends so that they can also make use of this opportunity. And if you're not subscribed our channel yet, you can subscribe our channel, activate the bell icon to get the notifications at the earliest so that you don't miss any of the opportunities. So now let's discuss the contents of this video. So Amdocs is hiring. It's an Indian based. They are hiring for the location Pune. Software Engineering Associate 2021 batch off campus. That is, it's off campus, but still they are looking forward for the 2021 passing out students. Now, that is about the eligible criteria is 2021 batch, bachelor's in engineering, bachelor's in technology, master's in engineering, master's in technology. This is a graduation they're looking forward, and streams specialized in computer science, IT, ENC, E&TC streams only. They have come clearly defined that it's only for these streams and these graduation. It's a professional course students, engineering students. So 2021 passing out engineering students specializing in these streams are eligible for that, and also MC students can also apply for this. They have clearly mentioned about the eligibility criteria. So BCA, BCom students is not applicable for here. We used to get the comments regarding like this when we viewed the CamGM comments, video comments, so that it's only they've clearly mentioned the branches and graduation. So these people only make use of this opportunity. Now coming to the mark, 60% throughout academics with no breaks or year down. That is, you must be passing out correctly in 2021, no arrears or backlogs, with no breaks of year done. If you have currently backlogs, then if still 60% aggregate percentage of all throughout all the semesters average is met, then you can apply for this. You have to clear all your backs before getting to that. And now excellent communication skill is required by them. Job profile is development, testing, managed services, development support and all. Location is Pune, Gurgaon. So you can get the company knowledge from the site and the details regarding the job. I mean, where you're hiring, all that. So this is the basic things that Amdocs is doing for. And to apply for this, you can go to this. So to apply for this, you can go to this apply link button, which was given here. Yes. So you have to go with your personal details. Yes. So you have to enter your personal details. If you have not registered earlier, then you can go for that. Else, you can sign in once again. You can create an account. Else, you can go for the details. You can put down the details and then sign. Okay. And update your profile, and then you can submit for the software engineering opening, which is currently available for 2021 bachelor's in engineering, master's in engineering students. Okay, specialized in computer science and so much streams provided there. It's opportunity for them. So this is all about Amdocs. Now coming to the other, which is the Codex Scalar. It is actually not a job opening, but it is a job provider, job providing context. It's by Scalar Academy. That these are the partners. I mean, there are so much companies as well. They have provided these partners. Currently, they are doing the partnering. So April 9th, 8 p.m. onwards, they start the test. It's not based on the if you are appearing for the first time, then 2.5 hours you have to attend the test. From 9th April 8 p.m. onwards, the link will be active. Now coming to the Codex context, it's a coding platform. You can code, you can improve your coding, like you can know your level. They'll be providing so much questions regarding coding and all. You can attempt that questions and level. You can know about the level of you in coding. And if you're great at it, they will be mentoring you, and they'll be, introducing you to the top companies, and you'll be getting hired. If else, you can improve yourself. It's a platform for improving yourself. And what is the need of this contest is very important, because our education system is basically upon the theoretical aspects. It is not about the practical aspects. Even if it's we providing the language, we are learning languages, and during our graduation, we are introduced more to the theoretical side. We are less exposed to the practical side about the coding language and all. So we are learning about the coding just after getting into the job. So here we'll be learning about the coding, and you'll be learning everything what an coding employee should do in a company. And after that, we'll be getting to the company. So this is what they're providing. This is the basic agenda of they put forward for. So what I've explained just now is explained here. You'll be getting rewards based on the marks that you're providing. You'll be getting so much scholarship, merchandise, and you'll be hired by so much companies, etc. And here the Codex is providing exclusive opportunity for women coders, that is, it's for women environment. You'll getting events and rewards based on the how do you have did your work, and you'll be getting informations, or you'll be getting an exclusively opportunity to know about the inspiring women techies life and how they come out of the shell. Even in this 20th century, this 21st century, they are women are struggling there to come out of the box. So for them, inspiring stories will be there. You will definitely get opportunity to interact with them to get your own career field now, and they'll be sponsored scholarship and all. Then coming to the partners, these are the partnering and the reward tree. As a chart is given here, the first position will be getting 25,000 of India money plus 70% scholarship, 1 month long exclusive externship with one of our prestigious hiring partners. So hence, for every as you can see, for every ranking there is so much advantage, so much rewards as a cash prize and scholarship. So this is basically provided by them. Then top 3 rankers will be having fireside chat with the founder of Codex, Anushman Singh, on accelerating your career, and your profile will be shared in their social media so that it will be inspiring for thousands of people coming behind you. And top 20 rankers, your will be shared and you will be spotted on by the hiring partners. And 100 rankers, you will be exclusive scalar merchandise, and 1,000 rankers, you'll be getting a national level rank certificate. It will also will contribute a grade to your career. So this is how you have to do it. Now coming about the coding contest, it is 2.5 of duration. You have 2 modes to go on with, competitive and learning mode. And the mode is competitive mode, learning mode and all. Topics are aptitude, DSA and LAD. Difficulty is 3 tiers like easy, medium and light. Question type is MCQ, code completion and coding. Eligibility is open to all. Then coming to the Codex, they are looking forward working profession, that is who have graduated or is working before 2021. This is not applicable for 2021 graduating batches, 2022 graduation batches and all. So all the details is provided here. You have to have a compatible system. You have a webcam should be working. You should not copy with another, not to be discussed. You have to make your individual contribution. All that details is provided here. So this is about coding. Codex and terms and condition, as I've just explained. This is how the marking system and all. They'll be marking out the cutoff students will be eligible, made eligible. They'll be giving rewards. You have to individually participate, not a group venture. You should not discuss the answers with anyone. If there is any problem in the plagiarism found, if there is any problem in, similarity of they found, they'll be disqualified. So no more than one candidate should discuss themselves and do this. You have to individually participate in that, and there will be a time gap between to provide the cash price is provided 6 to 8 weeks, and you will be in the cash price provided, they'll be detecting the taxes which is applicable and all. So from this page itself, you can get the complete information about the Scalar Codex, the coding competition. It's starting on April 9th. So make your turn at the earliest, and you can log in. You can sign up to register and fill your form, everything, and verify yourself and get started. So this is how you have to apply for the Codex contest and for the Amdocs as well. So if you like this video, don't forget to like. If you have any queries regarding this video, please let us know in the comment section. We'll give the replies at the earliest. So until I come up with another video regarding another opening in your favorite companies, thank you.